પેશન્ટને દવા શું આપી છે?
પેશન્ટનું નામ 30 ટેબ્લેટ.
At a call center in Gurgaon, Haryana, a team handling calls from private practitioners and chemists in Gujarat.
20 ટેબ્લેટ 5 દિવસ માટે છે ને, બરોબર.
It's part of an innovative government program to control TB in Gujarat's Mehsana district. Over 800 kilometers away in Kokas village, Mehsana district, the village pujari is making a slow but steady recovery. 60-year-old Bhagwan Giri has multi-drug resistant TB that has a high mortality rate.
आपको वनसेला टीबी जो भारे MDR टीबी है, आपको गुजराती में बोलते हैं वनसेला टीबी, खराब टीबी, भारे टीबी. तो आपको ये दवाई जो आप अभी ले रहे हो वो आपको असर करती नहीं है, तो आपको ये दवाई.
Multi-drug resistant TB, which continues to emerge and spread, is posing to be a major public health challenge. This is his second encounter with TB. He was not cured the first time round because he stopped taking his medicines.
आपने पूरा दवाई क्यों नहीं लिया फिर?
बेन अब मटी गયું કે આપણા મનને મટી ગયું इसलिए.
डॉक्टर ने नहीं बोला कि आपको ये पूरा लेना है, पूरा नहीं लेंगे तो टीबी.
બધું કીધું હતું બાપડે, પણ હવે આપણે જઈએ ડોક્ટરને મોઢું બતાવીએ તો બાપડો કહે કે.
Last year, Bhagwan Giri developed a severe cough. He visited 2 private doctors, but they failed to make a correct diagnosis.
આ પૂજા આપણે કરીએ તો સુધી
तो प्राइवेट डॉक्टर क्या बोलते थे?
એ તો દવા આલે ને પૈસા લઈ લે. શું કરે બીજું? હા પછી મોટા નહીં ને આપણે ધક્કા ખાતે જઈએ એ.
उन्होंने कभी ये नहीं बोला कि शायद आपको टीबी है,
ના
आप टीबी के मरीज हैं, ये इतना भी नहीं पता क्या?
પ્રાઇવેટ વાળા ના બોલ્યા.
Bhagwan Giri's case is typical of TB patients who fail to understand the importance of completing their treatment. 10 years ago, he had got TB but failed to finish his 6-month course of treatment. Then late last year, he once again developed TB, this time a multi-drug resistant form that requires a 24-month course of treatment.
Multi-drug resistant TB does not respond to 2 most powerful anti-TB drugs. While it can be cured with long treatments of second-line drugs, these drugs are 100 times more expensive. To control drug-resistant TB, the government has to ensure that every patient gets the right treatment, and more importantly, the treatment is sustained and not interrupted midway. Take 30-year-old Anil, who is a daily wage labor.
रोज का 150-100 ऐसा मिलता है छुट्टा के.
He began getting treatment from a private practitioner but did not continue because he could not afford the medicines.
ये बताओ कि कितना लिया उसने, प्राइवेट डॉक्टर ने कितना लिया आपसे?
मैं अहमदाबाद जाता था ना, 15 दिन की दवा लेता था ना, यहाँ से 1500 रुपये की दवा होती थी, 1500-1600 की.
In Akhaj village, a 35-year-old shopkeeper who has HIV co-infection with TB. Another serious challenge. In 2013, an estimated 38,000 people who had HIV along with TB lost their lives.
गवर्नमेंट अस्पताल में क्यों गए थे आप? आपको कोई खांसी या
પેલા ઉધરો સાફ થઈ બરાબર, ઉધરો સાફ થઈ પછી ઉધરોનો ગળફોલિયા કરો.
उन्होंने बताया कि उनको खांसी आ रही थी और फिर बलगम भी निकल रहा था, और उन्होंने फिर PSC में जाकर जांच कराई बलगम की, और फिर एक्सरे भी निकाला उसका, और फिर उसको TB डायग्नोस हो गया. तो यहाँ पर नियर बाई PSC अपना आखा जी, वहाँ पर उसको भेज दिया और यहाँ से उनका विकेट स्टार्ट हो गया.
1 out of every 4 TB patient in the world is in India, and at least half of those are being treated by private doctors. To control TB, private doctors have to be helped and supported to be effective. In August last year, the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and the Central TB Division launched a pilot project in Mehsana to provide free anti-TB drugs to patients who go to private health facilities, the same way patients who go to government facilities are given. This 2-year project is funded by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. But before it did that, it had to resolve an important difference in the approach of government doctors and private doctors. While government doctors prescribe TB drugs for alternate days, that is, an intermittent regimen, private doctors prescribe a daily regimen of TB drugs. The project decided to support the daily regimen of TB drugs, which according to some trials have a lower relapse rate.
We prefer daily therapy, particularly if a patient has uncontrolled diabetes, renal failure patients, patients of malignancy, those who are on steroids or immunosuppressive drugs, or even HIV patients. In this condition, definitely, or if the disease is extensive, give some supplemented medicine.
Dr. Javed Sheikh, a leading doctor in Mehsana with a busy private practice, is part of the pilot project. The project began with the mapping of private doctors and chemists in the district and holding sensitization meetings with them. Standard operating procedures and a master list of drugs were prepared in consultation with them. Under the project, whenever a patient is diagnosed with TB, the private doctor contacts a call center, giving full prescription details and patient profile.
વાઉચર નંબર જણાવી શકો મેં આગળથી તમે જ્યારે પણ
The call center generates a unique voucher number, which is given to the doctor, who writes the number on the prescription. At the chemist shop, this man is collecting medicines for his mother who has TB.
बस एक જ
The chemist calls the call center. The voucher number on her prescription is validated and the patient is given free drugs for a month at a time.
If the patient is confirmed that he or she has the tuberculosis, then we are explaining the patients for that pilot project. Only the 2 to 3 minutes we have to spend for that call, and one is the voucher number and patient's ID number we are generated, and then we are sending the patients to that pharmacy.
One of the pilot project's biggest successes is the fact that it engages with private practitioners effectively to control TB. Nearly 50% of the private practitioners who treat TB patients are already linked to the project, and those who have come on board have stayed.
Thakur Prahlad Chandriji, a TB patient, tells us he went to a private doctor because he was afraid of the long queues at a government hospital. He could not take a day off from work.
15-20 दिन हुआ गया, बाद में इधर आया, वधार लगे ना, तो बाद में इधर आया मेरा, अभी अंदर से खून निकलने लगा था।
आपको दवाई कहाँ से मिल रही है अब?
आपके बाजू में दवाखाना, इधर मेडिकल से।
कोई आपको परेशानी हुई दवाई मिलने?
नहीं हुई, सब अच्छा होता है।
केमिस्ट के पास जाते हैं, कुछ पैसा खर्चना पड़ता है?
नहीं खर्चना पड़ता।
जैसे आपका दवाई शुरू हुआ, आपके पास घर में कोई आया था देखने के लिए?
हाँ आए थे।
कौन आया था?
2-3 बार आए, दवा कौन से विषय से भेजता था, अभी मोबाइल में मैसेज भी आता है।
Treatment given by the government hospitals are equally good, but patients, they have some misconcept. So they don't go to civil hospital in spite of our repeated assurance that you will get good treatment. But when they don't go, when we refer them to civil hospital, when they don't go, they are lost in the community. They don't take treatment, they will spread infection. So instead of that, we are giving treatment, and this treatment is made free of cost by our government. So patients are also satisfied that they are consulting private doctors. Patients are regularly taking treatment, and they don't have to pay for the anti-tuberculosis drug, so they are happy.
80 chemists are part of the project, and they say they find the system efficient.
कौन कौन सी मेडिसिन है और आप अपना केमिस्ट आईडी लिखवा देते हैं, तो वहाँ से पता चलता है कि आप कौन सी फार्मेसी में कौन सा केमिस्ट बोल रहे हैं, तो हम वहाँ मेडिसिन प्रिस्क्रिप्शन में जो लिखा है वही मेडिसिन हम उसको प्रिस्क्राइब करते हैं।
Govind Patel of Al Sife Medical Store has been part of the project for 5 months. 340 TB patients have been to his store for medicines during this period.
फ़ायदा होगा पेशेंट को, और वो भी गरीब पेशेंट को। अभी क्या है, वो पहले पैसे के हिसाब से दवा नहीं ले रहे थे, अभी ये मुफ्त में दवा मिल रही है तो पेशेंट लेते, पूरी दवा लेते। अभी जो वो मेडिसिन की जो रकम होती है उस पर सरकार हमको 3% ज़्यादा दे रही है, वो भी हमारा फ़ायदा है। दूसरा फ़ायदा,
Chemists are selling more drugs because now TB patients are completing their course of treatment. They are also deriving satisfaction from the fact that they are now a part of an important initiative.
Till now, the scheme has covered over 1,400 privately diagnosed TB patients. It has also inspired one hospital to provide free consultation to TB patients. That's after the break.